I was able to capture a glimpse of the relationship that they share with each other. And I can say that was something very, very special. It's that feeling you get when you're around a couple that is truly in love. They complement each other so well, and I saw that they were meant for each other.
Martin, my honey buns, my honey bunches of oats. I can't believe it was 11 years last week that we met in a Jester dorm room. I knew there was something special between us. You are my lobster, my other half. You know me inside and out, the good and the bad, and you still love me unconditionally.
Lynn, honey, sweetie, sweetums, sweets. I can't believe this day has finally come. We started out as friends where we shared many laughs, memorable moments, and a lot of fun. Little did I know that you would mean so much more to me in the future years to come. I could not have asked for a better companion to share this journey of love with.
I promise to you to love you unconditionally and to create a happy family, home, and life together. I promise to respect you as an equal in all things and to stand together for any challenges that we may face.
I vow to give you the best version of myself. I want to be that perfect husband that you've always dreamed about. I vow to do my best to make you laugh every day, because there is nothing I love more than seeing you smile.
I promise to always be your duo partner, your player number 2 in this game of life. I promise to always support you and to never surrender when times get tough. I choose you to be my husband and give you my whole heart today, tomorrow, and every day for the rest of my life.
For the past 8 years, you have been the first thing on my mind when I wake up and the last thing I think about before I go to sleep. You are everything to me, and I vow to keep that true for as long as we shall live. I love you, and I can't wait to start this lifelong adventure with you.
Now here we are today as we celebrate the beginning of the rest of your life.
Together forever as husband and wife.
Your dreams will come true with love and much more, happiness to share, and the world to explore.
May you be each other's happily ever after.
Lynn and Martin have chosen each other and proclaimed their love and commitment to each other in the presence of family and friends. I now pronounce you husband and wife. Martin, you may kiss your bride.
The way they look at each other now, that's true love. You've heard this several times today. That's true love. Congratulations, you two. I'm so happy for you. You have no idea.
I don't have to be a rocket scientist to see that you two are perfect for each other. You paved the way for all of our younger folks and showed everyone what it means to really follow your dreams and never give up. He's been the perfect brother to me, and I know he'll be a perfect husband to you. May their love never age nor fade, but only grow stronger and stronger each day.